new updated video of the true presa canaries with the black mask, correct markings. You can hit me up on Hoobly if you want to say true Spanish presa canaries. It's going to have a couple of sentences about I got my dogs from Extreme Presa. People keep asking what bloodlines are they. They're all for Tarantino, multi-Spanish champion. Also, Narugo, 2009 American, Graphica champion. So we have a good established line of blood. Once again, it's Tarantino bloodline off of the son of Narugo, which is a Spanish import, 2009 minor Graphica champion. It dates all the way back to Conan the Atlanticon. Look at the mother. This is the mother. Look how big she is. And then, ladies and gentlemen, she's bigger than most of your males. Her head, her neck, her legs. So if you want some true presa canaries with the correct markings, you can hit me up on Hoobly, or you can hit me up on Gmail. All the information is there. Beautiful pups. And the pups are only they're 2 weeks and some change, maybe about 2 weeks and 2 days, something like that. We got them. All eyes are open. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, these dogs are fed no kibble, all raw feeding. This is all raw. Look how healthy the puppies are. Look how strong they are. Mother standing on 4 legs. Look at the puppies. A little over 2 weeks, maybe about 2 days. Look at them standing up. Look how they're reaching for the milk. Beautiful. Simply beautiful. Simply beautiful. Look at them reaching. Strong. I'm not joking. Look at her. And look at the mother. Beautiful. Look how big she is. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a Great Dane crate. So you can see how big she is. And you can only imagine how big the father is and how strong he is. Sash. Hey, Sash. Look good, baby. Even after having pups. Can't wait to get you back to your 140-pound self. Looking bigger than most people male dogs. The key to your breeding program is a good female. Look at them, just moving around. Dominant, look at them. Oh my God, they're beautiful. Get a little bit more light up in here. There she goes. Look at that silver fawn. Silver with the black brindle. Black stripings, I mean. Maybe some moving. And she's a good mother. Now I'm about to let the beast up. Edge. Let Nas up. Oh. I'm telling my wife to let my male dog up. This is the next breeding. Here he comes. Look at him. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't hurt nothing, Nas. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, look at him. Who is that? This is the son of Narugo, 2009 minor Graphica champ. Hey, Nas. Get out of here. Back up. Let the people see you, big guy. 'Cause I'm always cracking on people's presses. Back up. Oh. Back up. You in my life. I can't get no video of him.